How to find Nameserver in cPanel GoDaddy. So if you want to find Nameserver in cPanel GoDaddy, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can go with your GoDaddy website and make sure that you've logged into your account. You can go with godaddy.com and it will take you to the website. Make sure that you've logged in. Now go with the profile, which is on the top right, and then you can go with My Products. And here you will have all of your products. So you can just simply scroll down. Once you're here, you need to go to Domain Manager. Under Domain Manager, here you need to go with DNS, which is on the left side. Under DNS, you need to scroll down. And once you scroll down, you will have an option of Nameservers. You can scroll down and you will find the Nameservers section. Once you find the Nameservers, you can just simply go with your Nameserver and go with View, and you will have your Nameserver. You'll be able to find your Nameserver right there. So that's how you can find your Nameserver in cPanel GoDaddy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.